How important is it to be involved early in the customer's process before decisions are locked in? Have you ever seen cases where a better work holding choice up front made a huge difference?
We try to convey to our customers, to whether it's through our distribution and so on, to get us involved very early in the process when a customer is looking at a new part or purchasing a new machine to do their parts. It's very important that we go through these points at the very beginning, because sometimes there's options on machines and so on that need to be added to enhance the way that we're going to hold that part. It seems that in this day and age, a lot of times the work holding becomes an afterthought. They've already picked the machine, they've already decided on the process, and then they think about work holding. Where it becomes brutally important is in automation. We get heavy into automation. We change out whole chucks, clamping heads with end stops and so on. And when you get that involved in some of these automation products, it is so important to look at that work holding in the very beginning. The type of media that we need to come through to keep that work holding clean when it changes out for nonstop lights out machining. It's amazing how just having a chip somewhere that it shouldn't be in automation stops the whole show. So it's very important. And also, we've seen that a lot of times when we get into a lot of these large projects, if customers are financing the whole project, if they start at the beginning with the work holding, they roll it up into one ball and it's easier for them to get financing. But the main part is to really look at the engineered and the technical part of what they're trying to achieve at the end, that we can work these things out in the very beginning and make sure that the options are correct on the machine, the processes are dialed in to what it needs to be before they go ahead and make those purchases.